Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change recovery email in Gmail. So guys, let's continue into your Gmail account. And now go to your profile. Tap on Google account. Now swipe right and tap on security. Swipe down and go to recovery email. And now here you have to enter your password. And after entering the password, just tap on next. So guys, here you have to enter the email address that you want to recover, and after entering, just tap on the next button and then your recovery email will be changed. So guys, that's how you can change recovery email in Gmail very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.